Good morning. Calculate the rate for the square meter of mortar according to the following description. Total unit 100 meter square. The prepared plastering 10 millimeter thick to all exposed reinforced cement concrete surface in cement and sand 1:3, including smooth finishes. Data and output for unit rate calculation. All material price which are mentioned below are excluding cost of transport, density of cement 1440 kilogram per meter cube, syringate on mortar 30%, cement 50 kilogram bag 950 rupees, sand 1 meter cube rupees 12,000, wastage on mortar 10%, allow for transport for material cost 3% of the material cost. Unskilled labor can mix 1 meter cube of mortar in 4 hours. One mason and one unskilled labor can apply 10 meters squared of mortar in 6 hours. Allow for tools 3% of labor cost. Skilled labor all in rate per 8 hours per day 1,500 rupees. Unskilled labor all in rate per 8 hours day rupees 1,250. Allow for overhead and profit. So we are go move on the answer. Okay, the volume of mortar totally a question for the 100 meter square. For the thickness for the 10 millimeter. So we are going for the 10 millimeter. So multiple in for the 1 meter cube. Second one for the syringate, 1 meter cube into 30% of syringate. So 30 over 100, so into C equal to 0.3 meter cube. Volume of mortar with syringate 1 meter cube plus 0.3 meter cube equal to 1.3 meter cube. Wastage, we are calculating for the wastage 1.3 into the questions are mentioned for 10%. Okay, 1.3 into 10 over 100 equal to 0.13 meter cube. Now we are required for the 1 meter, 100 meter square, 10 millimeter thickness, applying the plastering, total required of mortar 1.3 plus 0.13 equal to 1.43 meter cube. Now, if we have 1.43 meter cube of mortar, we can apply for the 100 meter squared for 10 millimeter thickness. Now we are moving for volume of cement. Here the questions mentioned 1:3 cement and sand. Okay, one part of cement and 3 part of sand. Okay, 1/4 into total volume of mortar 1.43 meter cube. Okay, equal to 0.3575 meter cube. Density equal, we know for the mass. Okay, density no, volume no, we can calculate for the mass. Okay, density equal mass upon volume. Okay, we know the volume 0.3575 meter cube and we know for the density of 1440 kilogram per meter cube equal to 514.8 kilogram. Cement cost 514.8 kilogram. We know the one bag for 50 kilogram bag 950 rupees. Okay, 514.8 multiple 550 divided by 50 equal to sand volume. Now, one part of cement volume calculated. Now we can move for the sand volume. 3 upon 4 into 1.3 equal to 0.725 meter cube. Sand goes, we know 1 meter cube of sand, 12,000. Okay, 1.0725 meter cube into multiple 12,000. The sand total cost equal to 12,870 rupees. The total material cost, cement cost and sand cost. Cement cost 9,781 rupees 20 cents plus 12,870. Sand cost totally 22,651 rupees 20 cents. Now the questions for the data output, the total transport cost equal total material cost of 3%. Okay. We know the total material cost 22,651 rupees 20 cents into 3 upon 100, 679.54 rupees 679 rupees 54 cents for the transport cost. Next one, mixing cost. The one unskilled labor can mix for the 1 meter cube of mortar 4 hours. Okay, we required of mortar 1.43, and we know for the unskilled labor for the 1 hour per day 1,250. Okay, divided by 8 for 1 hour labor cost into multiple for, so 893.75 rupees for the mixing cost. Second thing, for the applying cost, the one skilled labor and one unskilled labor can mix for 10 meter, apply for the 10 meter square for 6 hours. Okay, we know we want to for the 100 meter square. So 1,500 divided by 8 plus 1,250 divided by 8 for 1 hour cost for the skilled labor and unskilled labor into multiple 6 or 6 equal to 10 meters square. We want to 100 meters square. So into multiple for 100 divided by 10. So we can calculate for the 100 meters square of the applying cost 20,625. Now the next one, total labor cost for the mixing cost plus applying cost. The mixing cost 893.75, applying cost for 20,625 equal to 21,518 rupees 75 cents. Next one, for the tool cost, so for the total labor cost for the 3%. Okay, we know the total labor cost 21,518.75 into multiple 3 over 100 equal to 645 rupees 56. Okay, now we move the total cost for the 100 meter square. Equation number 3 for the total material cost, equation number 4 for the transport cost, equation number 7 for the total labor cost, equation number 8 for the tools cost. Okay, to total material cost 22,651 rupees 20 cents, transport cost 679 rupees 54 cents, and the total labor cost 21,518 rupees plus 75 plus tools cost 645 rupees 56. Total 100 meters square 45,495 rupees 5 cents. And the next move for the overhead and profit for the 45,495 rupees 5 cents. Questions mentioned for the 25% of the overhead and profit. Okay, overhead and profit multiple, so 11,373 rupees 76 cents. Now the total cost including the overhead and profit 45,495 rupees 5 cents plus 11,373 rupees 76. Totally 56,868 rupees 81 cents. That's why for the 100 meters square. Now, the question mentioned for the one calculated unit rate for the meter square. Okay, we want to for the 1 meter square cost. Okay, 100 meters square cost we know 56,868.81 cents. Now divided by 100 equal to 568 rupees 69 cents. That's for the 1 meter square of the cost.